Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing well. Today we are going to be doing another look for Pink Birthday Slate Week. Yes, I think we're gonna do a warmer look after this, and then I will be completely done for Pink Week. My lips are burning. And then I also realized that I've been doing a lot of like dramatic cut crease pink looks, so I definitely want to dedicate a little soft look for my softies out there when it comes to the makeup looks. You guys don't want all the cut crease type of looks, so I was like, oh, let's do a soft pink look. Although I feel like I did do that one, but I did add like a glitter liner and everything, so it wasn't really soft. But today is gonna be like a real softy type of look, and I was like, what better way to do like a little blushy pink look using the Morphe palette. This was part of a blush collection that came out a couple of months ago, and this is what the palette looks like. I wish it kind of like opened all the way, but the way it's made, it doesn't, so the mirror is definitely going to blind you guys. But this is what it looks like. So it's not all just pink shades in here. Do have a little bit of neutral shades, was definitely complementing when it comes to the palette. So I do want to do another look using this palette, but today's focus is the pink shades, and that's what we're going to go for. Do I know where I'm going to begin and start? No. But we're going to freestyle this look out. I really wanted to be really simple and soft, so let's pin this hair back and zoom in so we can get started. Okay, so like always, I'm going to start off by applying a setting powder or a setting eyeshadow for my brow bone, and I'm going in with my Buzzword eyeshadow by Ulta Beauty. Just going to pop that right underneath the brow bone before I get started with the blending. So I just realized that looking at this palette, there's a lot of pretty like metallic pink shades that I can put on my lid. But as for like the matte shades of the pinks, they're not going to appear on my crease. They're too light. So my train of thought might have to do a 360. I really wanted this to be like a soft pink look, but I feel like these matte pinks are going to be too soft. So I gotta make this workable for you. Apply this shade right here. So the key is to start off light in a sense, hoping that this is going to make this look work. And I do love the mirror size in this palette. I just don't like the fact that it doesn't push back all the way. Alright, so to blend the shade out, I am going to go with that shade that's like right underneath the one that I just used, which is this one. This was the original shade I wanted to go my crease with, but I just knew by the looks of it, it was going to be too soft of a crease color for me. So let's see how it looks by trying to blend this shade out. Yeah, I'm glad I made that decision because you can barely see it, but it's going to be good enough to blend out this shadow though. And actually it's a little bit darker than what I had expected, so that is a good thing. I probably could have got away with use this in my crease. It just would have been like a really like soft pink shade. But I think as I'm blending this out, I think it's buildable, if I'm not mistaken. Alright, moving on to the lid. I think I want to, this is like the only pink that I've been eyeing since the moment I opened up this palette, which is this shade right here. It's such a pretty metallic like pink, and I just knew that I wanted to do something with this pink. So I did apply this a little bit wet, and now I am just going to pat that on the lid area, and it is such a pretty pink. Wow. And I'm going to go back over with that first crease color just to make sure that the lid and this crease is going to actually blend out. And I definitely wanted to avoid using like browns. Like I really wanted this to be like a strictly just pink eye look. What I do notice right away is that the shimmer is so pretty, but it's definitely like fading away. So to bring it back, I'm going to take a little bit of some glitter glue. I'm just going to take my finger and I'm just going to place a little bit on the lid area just to get it a little bit, you know, sticky and tacky. Let it dry just a little bit, and then I'm going to go back in and reapply that shimmer so it makes it a little bit more vibrant. That looks a lot better. It actually brought more of that shimmer out from that metallic shade. So I'm going to quickly do a nice wing. Yeah, because I think I'm pretty much going to leave it. Oh my gosh, I got makeup everywhere. Pretty much going to leave the eyes like this, and that's the whole point. Like I said, I wanted to create a really, really soft, easy pink look. I'm just going to clean out my face area, pop on a nice wing, and then I'll probably pop another light shade in my inner part, and then definitely in my lower lash line. So I'll be right back. Okay, for my bottom lash line, I think I'm just going to smoke it out with like a black liner. So I'm going to put my black pencil inside my waterline. And I think for my bottom lash line, I'm just going to go in with that first shade I went in with in my crease. And I'm just going to pop that. And I just realized I didn't put any base down, but I guess it's going to give it more of a softer look. I totally forgot. Then I'm going to add a little bit of that lash glue. Pop it right in my inner. I honestly didn't know what was going on with the formula of this eyeshadow, so I don't know if I did something wrong or what, but it just wasn't not pleasing. I had to redo this, the lid part on this eye. So I am going to go back in with that palette, and let's give one more metallic shade another chance. I'm going to go in with this one right here. Alright, I'm going to move on to the lips, going in with my favorite pencil by NYX. And I'm going in with this ColourPop Lippy Stick. I don't know the shade of it, but I'm just going to pop it on because it's right here on my desk. And I want a little bit more of a nuder shade in the center part, so I'm going to go in with the Fearless Belle Nude Lip Gloss. Pop that right in the like center part. Alright, and then of course I'm going to gloss it with ColourPop. And I want to add a little bit of like glitter reflex, so I'm going to add this ColourPop Glossy Gloss right here. I'm going to add a little bit of that on to the lips. And then for the cheeks, I think I'm going to go in with my Morphe. This was part of the same collection that came out with the palette. These blushes came out with them as well. So there's like cream blushes, and then there's the powder blushes. And I'm not a cream blush girl at all. So I only got the one shade, which is this one. And it's a really, really pretty shade against the cheekbone. So I'm just going to pop her right here. It's gonna help warm up that contour that I got going on. I forgot I didn't have my hair pinned up. And then I'm going in with my Fenty highlighter. I think I'm gonna go in with the side Mo Honey, which is the shade right here. Alright my love, so this completes the look. I really do hope you guys like the non-cut crease makeup look. And it's a very soft blushy pink tone that I was trying to go for, so definitely feel like I accomplished that. So I'm very much so pleased with this look. I love my lip combo today. I mean, I feel like I do like the same color story wise, but I use like different lipsticks, and I swear it's like it's different every time. So it may feel like the same to you guys, but I swear like I do use different lip products. Some products I still repeat, especially my ColourPop. I can't find any other lip plumper that's affordable and that does what it's supposed to do for my lips. So this is gonna be on forever on rotation, so it is what it is. Yes, this is so cute. I really like it. I hope you guys like it as well. So don't forget to leave your feedback down at the bottom. If you guys happen to try it out, tag me and just let me know how you guys feel about this whole look. Really quick for the outfit, I'll go ahead and show it. It's this little cute little striped dress, white and pink. It's kind of short, but I'm trying to accept that my belly is growing, it's big, it's expanding, and it's making everything look a little short than it would have usually looked if I didn't have my belly. But it's hot out here, so it is what it is. I'm gonna go ahead and accept it and roll with it. But I hope you guys enjoy the whole look. If you guys be so kind, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, and of course I'll see you guys on my last pink look. I swear this is the last one, okay? It's gonna be a banger, hopefully, with the outfit. I cannot wait for y'all to see the outfit, but it's definitely gonna be a banger. I hope you guys enjoy the pink series, and I will see you guys in my next and final pink look, and then we're gonna move on to the next color theme. I'm so excited. But you guys have a beautiful day. Stay blessed, stay amazing, and I'll see you guys when I see y'all. Bye.